How was it?
I don't think anyone saw me. Anything new?
I've got this tuned into the government wavelength so we can follow what Saxon's doing.
Yeah, I meant about my family.
Still says the Jones family taking him for questioning. Tell you what, though, no mention of Leo.
He's not as daft as he looks. I'm talking about my brother on the run. How did this happen?
Nice chips.
Actually, they're not bad.
So, Doctor, who is he? How come the ancient society of Time Lords created a psychopath?
And what is he to you? Like a colleague or...
Friend at first.
Thought you were going to say he was your secret brother or something.
You've been watching too much TV.
But all the legends of Gallifrey made it sound so perfect.
Well, perfect to look at, maybe. And it was. It was beautiful. Used to call it the shining world of the Seven Sisters. And on the continent of wild endeavor, in the mountains of solace and solitude, there stood the citadel of the Time Lords. The oldest and most mighty race in the universe. Looking down on the galaxies below. Sworn never to interfere, only to watch. Children of Gallifrey, taken from that family's age of 8, to enter the academy. Some say that's where it all began. When he was a child. That's when the Master saw eternity. As a novice, he was taken for initiation. He stood in front of the untempered schism. It's a gap in the fabric of reality, through which can be seen the whole of the vortex. You stand there, 8 years old, staring at the raw power of time and space, just a child. Some would be inspired. Some would run away. And some would go mad.
What about you?
Oh, the ones that ran away, I never stopped.
Encrypted channel with files attached. Don't recognize it.
Patching through the lab.
Since we're telling stories, there's something I haven't told you.
You work for Torchwood.
I swear to you, it's different. It's changed. There's only a half dozen of us
Everything
now.
Torchwood did, and you're part of it.
The old regime was destroyed at Canary Wharf. I rebuilt it. I changed it. And when I did that, I did it for you in your honor.
If I haven't returned to my desk by 2200, this file will be emailed to Torchwood. Which means if you're watching this, then I'm... Anyway, the Saxon files are attached. But take a look at the Archangel document. That's when it all started, when Harry Saxon became minister in charge of launching the Archangel network.
What's the Archangel network?
I've got Archangel. Everyone's got it.
It's a mobile phone network, because look, it's gone worldwide. They've got 15 satellites in orbit. Even the other networks, they're all carried by Archangel.
It's in the phones. Oh, I said he was a hypnotist. Wait. Hold on. There it is. That rhythm, it's everywhere. Ticking away in the subconscious.
What is it? Mind control?
No. Subtler than that. Any stronger people would question it, but contained in that rhythm, in layers of code, vote Saxon. Believe in me. Whispering to the world. Ah, yes! That's how he hid himself from me, because I should have said there was another Time Lord on Earth. I should have known way back, but the signal cancelled him out.
Any way you can stop?
Not from down here. But now we know how he's doing it.
And we can fight back.
Oh, yes!